Guys, we're back today with an awesome temporary blind solution.
These are great if you just moved into a house and you're waiting 2 months for your blinds.
So we hung all 3 of these blackout blinds in a bedroom, and now we're going to show you how they actually black out.
It's just easy, just unclip.
And I'm going to turn off the overhead light. Oh my gosh, they are
Bedtime.
really good.
All you need to do is just pull off the paper backing and apply it to your windowsill. It's that quick and easy. So if you're in a rush and you really don't care, you could just attach it to the outside. If you want to stick it inside your window, you need to cut it to size. And you don't have to be real precise.
All right, Mom.
Here we go.
Hang those blinds. Watch out for your shoes. Don't fall. All right, the blind's looking really good.
So you can either have blackout blinds or these light filtering blinds. I love these. They really look like your regular blinds.
I could leave these here forever.
Yeah,
and
for real.
No one would say anything.
Exactly. I wouldn't know the difference.
No. So guys, come back next week. We'll be back with more awesome videos. In the meantime, you can check out our YouTube shorts going up multiple times a week. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll be back soon. Bye.